come across with one of these questions in a test, how will you solve them? So these questions, guys, are straightforward. Then this is what you should understand, that here we take that x as in it is a box there. This thing, we take it as in it is a box. What number are we supposed to have there? In order, when we add with 6, we should get 10. What number should it be there? We know that number that's supposed to be there, it's what? It's 4. That number. But now for you to solve for x, you just transpose this to that other side, taking that thing there to that other side. Here you only left with x, and there it's 10 minus by 6. Because taking that thing to that other side, it's supposed to change the sign, they become negative. So it means now here's our answer. This there will give us 4. Even as well as this one, how do you do it? What is in front from what you need to divide by it, both sides. It get cancelled, meaning our x there will become, which is 10 divided by 6. Here it's 6. So here you got what? You'll get 5 over 3. If, guys, you got a fraction, just write that fraction the way it is. That's your answer. Or you can even press SD, meaning x there it's equal to what? 1,67 there. You round it off that thing into 2 decimal place. You see, you look that number. If this number there is greater than 5, it means this one there will increase by 1. It becomes 7 there. But if this number was less than 5, it means that one we're going to remain the same, that one. You see? Yeah. Then what about for this one? Even this, you take that thing to that other side, the number to a number. That will change the sign, become negative, meaning answer is 3. But for this one, this is what you do. What is in front from what you need to divide by it, both sides there. So that it will get cancelled. Our x there will be 2 there. Do you see? Dividing same sign, we got positive there, 2. Then for this one, taking a number to a number, meaning that there will be negative. And now here we got 10 there as the value for x there. But for this one, what do you do? What is in front from what you need to divide by it? It get cancelled, meaning x there will be what? Will be 3 there. It's good, guys. Just know how I get that 3. You press that thing on your calculator, you should get 3 there. Do you see? You only press all of this thing to get that 3. So what about for this one? They're taking that thing there to that other side, it will change the sign, they become positive 11, meaning our answer there, you can press all of this thing there to get this answer there, which is 91 plus 11. This is what you got there, it's 102 there. But what about for this them? This is what you do. What is in front from what you need, you divide by it, both sides. It get cancelled. Here we only left with x. Our answer will be 11. You will press all of this thing to get that 11 there, which is 121 divided by 11. Oh, here 121. So there you should get 11. Do you see? Then what about for this one? This one you can even stop the lesson and take a try. Then if you feel like it's hard, this is how you do with this thing. Taking that thing there to that other side, it will change the sign, they become positive 23. Meaning now your final answer is supposed to be 77. Press all of this thing on your calculator, it will give you 77. Do you see? Then what about for this one then, which is x 46. What is in front from what you need to divide by it, both sides. And make sure, guys, when you divide by that thing there it go with negative, meaning that you'll use negative 23. Both sides, divide by negative 23 both sides, so that when we divide those things, they will cancel. Here we'll only left with x. Dividing, guys, different sign got negative, but now let's check there. It will give us negative what? This. So it means that we're supposed to get negative 2. So it means that it's negative 2 as a final answer. Dividing different sign there, you got negative there. Then what about for this one? Even as well as this one, they straightforward. Transpose that number to that other side there. That number there, it will change the sign, become negative, meaning our answer is 120. But for this one there, what do you do? What is in front from what you need? What is in front from what you need? You divide by it, both sides there. It get cancelled, meaning the y value will become as what? Negative there, because because I know that when I divide different sign, I will get negative there. But now let's try to press this thing there on a calculator. So it means that I will got negative 5. Dividing different sign, got negative 5. Then what about for this one then? This one, take note now. This one then. The way they gave you, do you see the way they gave you? Your unknown value is on that side there. So what you can do there, here we got two sides. We got left hand side, right hand side. So what I will do there, I will take this thing the way it is. I'll just flip it. Or let me not flip it. What I can just do there, I can just solve that m the way it is. Here I'm solving for m. For me to solve that m there, what is in front from what I need, I divide by it both sides there. So that thing there, it will get cancel, and now here I will only left with m. This thing there, I will press the Homer calculator, and I know that when I divide different sign, I should get negative there, which is that it's negative 7. But this thing, guys, it doesn't sound when you say negative 7 it's equal to m. It's better for you to say m it's equal to negative 7 as your final answer. Do you see? Then what about for this one? For this one then, you can just take a number to a number, meaning that it's 49. That thing that it will change the sign, become positive 7. And here we're only left with k, meaning that now here pressing this thing on a calculator got 56. But this thing, it doesn't sound to say 56 equal to k. It's better for you to say k it's equal to 56. Do you see? Yeah. So all of these kind of questions, guys, when you see different alphabet, don't get confused there. They need to solve that unknown value there. That thing that you take in as it is just your box there. And what you should do there, you should identify what must be inside the box. When you add it with what? With 13, you should get 63. You should get 67 then. For you to get what must be inside the box, you should transpose this number to that other side. Here we'll only left with q. That they will change the sign, they become negative 13. And now you can just press your calculator to get the final answer of this thing. So it means that it's 54. So it means that inside the box that we're supposed to have 54. When we add it with 13, we should get 67 there. Do you see? Then what about for this one? Even as well as this one there, this thing you can take it as it is inside a box there. What must be inside a box, when you multiply with 13, we should get 64. For you to get what is inside a box, remember what is in front from what you need to divide by it both sides. It get cancelled, your q there will become as this divided by that. So in this case there, as you can see that I got a fraction. If I got a fraction there, just write the fraction the way it is. Or you can press SD, and that SD there, it will give you in decimal, which is 5,15 there. You look at that number there. If you need it to be into decimal place, you look on that number. If that number there is less than 5, it means this will remain the same. But if this number there is greater than 5, it means that one, it was going to increase by 1 there. You see? Yeah. Then what about for this one there? Taking that thing to that other side, having k, this thing will become negative 11. Meaning our k then will be this then, minus by 11. It means that you've got 110 there. But for this one there, this is what you should do. What is in front from what you need to divide by it both sides. It get cancelled, meaning your k there will become as this divided by that. When we divide different sign, guys, we got what? We got negative there, which is that it's negative 11. Do you see? Yeah. So here's some final question there. Taking this thing there to that other side, you left with t, meaning that thing there will just become positive. Yeah, that thing there, it will become positive 4, meaning our t there will become what? 8 as a final answer. But for this one there, what will happen? Remember that we got invisible 1, and what is in front from what you need? What is in front from what we need to divide by it? It get cancelled, so here we'll only got 4. When you divide the same sign, you got positive then, meaning that this is how you press that thing then. Divide by this. Do you see? Yeah, so that's all, guys. The only thing that you should understand here is that you should be able to see the difference between this kind of question, the equation which is like this and the equation which is like that. If you say a number and it's been separated by x, like if you say a number separated by plus or minus, you got x, you take that number to that other side there. But a number which is in front from what we need, we divide by that number, both sides there. Do you see? Yeah. All the best.